Hello, I'm Pam, and I am fixing a Razor scooter, like a little moped type thing. And the back tire is flat and needs a new tube. And it takes a 12.5 by 2 1/4 inch tube. And so what I have done is I have taken off this, and my thing is I needed to take the chain off so that I can get the tire off. And so what I have done is we are going to lift up this little back piece here. It's like a little spring, and I can get that to focus there. And then I just kind of move that over, and there we go, it's off. Now I just need to finish loosening this on this side so that it'll come off because it's attached. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then show you what I've done. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got a 10-inch number 10 crescent wrench, and I am just putting it right back here and loosening that so that it'll come off. Please keep that up, Ethan. My 9-year-old thought he was being helpful putting the kickstand down so that I had less room to work. So we're going to do that, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so obviously I realized I don't need to undo that one. What I'm doing is undoing this one up here. I have a little screw bolt right there that I am going to undo. So right there. And it's a little more difficult, but I'm getting it done. Okay, so I got that piece undone, and then I realized that I need to also undo that piece so that the wheel will come out. Actually, scratch that. I didn't have to undo that piece at all. This just came off like that, and so we've got the tire like that. So now I am going to try to take off the tire and the tube so I can change it. Okay, so I'm sure there's easier ways to do this, but being that we've got this plate here, I'm using it to hold some wrenches in place, and I'm just going along, putting the wrenches in and using a screwdriver because the tube's already damaged anyways, and I'm putting a new, and I've just got a couple wrenches there, and so it's holding the tire out so that it's able to be, and then obviously these other wrenches are falling out because I've got enough out so that it's not going to pop back in on itself. So I'm going to continue to do this, and then we'll get to the next part in a moment. Okay, so I've got the old tube out, and obviously somebody tried putting some of that slime stuff in, and that didn't work very well because it's come detached from there.